Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is the 23rd lesson of A1 level of German language course, and today we are going to talk about time in German language, how we can ask time and how we can tell time in German language. So let's see first what we call time in German language. Time in German language is called Zeit. Zeit is a feminine noun and it has an article D. So D Zeit is the time in German language. Now there are two ways through which we can ask time in German language. The first way is wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? This is the first way, and the second way of asking time is Wieviel Uhr ist es? Wieviel Uhr ist es? So these are the two ways you can choose either of these to ask time whenever you need to ask time. Now if let's suppose that it's 2 o'clock and you have to tell the time, and how you can tell time that it's 2 o'clock. You can say es ist 2 Uhr. Zwei in German language is called 2. Es ist 2 Uhr. So the answer will always start with as ist. If the time is 9 o'clock, then you will simply say as ist 9 Uhr. If it's 12 o'clock, as ist 12 Uhr. Now, if the time is 15 past 3 or it is quarter past 3, then how we can say it in German language? The word for quarter in German language is viertal. Viertal, or 1/4 or 1/4. Now we will again say as ist viertel nach drei. Now we have taken a preposition called nach, which means after, when it is used with reference to time. So it's quarter past 3. Es ist viertel nach drei. And there is a second way of telling the same time, and that would be es ist 3:15. Like in English language, we can say it's 3:15, or we can say quarter past 3. In German language, there are also two ways. So if we want to use quarter past 3, then we will say es ist viertel nach drei. And if we want to say it's 3:15, es ist 3:15. 3:15. Now if it's quarter to 3, then es ist viertel vor drei. Now we have taken another preposition, and if it is used in context with telling time, it means before. Nach means after in context with telling time. So es ist viertel vor drei, it's quarter to 3. Or if we want to say it's 2:45, es ist 2:45. 2:45. Now the next is, if it's 3:30 or 3:30, then we will say es ist halb vier. Halb, we have used another word which is halb, which means half, and halb vier means 3:30. Or if you want to say it's 3:30, es ist 3:30. 3:30. Similarly, there I have taken another example for 7:30 or 7:30. Es ist 7:30. So in German language, we have to take the next hour when we use halb. Here we used halb vier for 3:30. The next hour will be 4. So we have taken halb vier. Similarly, here we are talking about 7:30. But if we used halb, then we have to take the next hour. Es ist halb acht. Or we can say it as ist 7:30 Uhr. The next example is regarding if it's like 3 minutes past 4 or 5 minutes past 9, how we can say it. For example, for 3 minutes past 4, we can say es ist 3 nach 4. Es ist 3 nach 4. Or you can say it es ist 4:03. Es ist 4:03. 4:03. Or 3 nach 4. Another example is es ist 10:09. It's 8:50 or 10 minutes to 9. Es ist 10:09. Or the second way is es ist 8:50 Uhr. So these are the examples of telling time and asking time. I hope it's clear to you now. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment, and see you in the next video.